making some deep fried jackfruit. You can make them with cauliflower as well. Come on in. Okay, so my aim of doing this is to show vegans and non-vegans that vegan food can be really, really enjoyable. Like, your soul can be happy. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, first of all, we need a tin of the jackfruit. You can get this from most Chinese market shops. I got this from Wingyip and it was really cheap. Plain flour, some paprika, some salt and pepper. This stuff is the best thing ever. It's basically wheat flour with seasonings, and it's what they use to season chicken with. It's the chicken coating. What I used to make fried chicken with this. I don't actually, it's not like I'm craving the chicken, it's just the taste. Because if I was to boil a bit of chicken, I wouldn't enjoy that. Do you know what I mean? It's the taste, the crunch, that bite of a crispy bit of chicken is what I really, really was craving. And the jackfruit is amazing because it pulls apart like a bit of chicken. So coated in this and deep fried. It's just dreamy. Oh, it's just dreamy. And we also need some non-dairy milk. This was all they had in my Sainsbury's, Tesco's, and I'm really annoyed about that because usually I would use almond milk. I used some garlic powder and some chicken seasoning. I've got all the flavours, see? You don't even, who needs meat when you've got all the flavours? And one. If you have a deep fat fryer, that's amazing, but I don't, so this is gonna have to do me. Bowls for your batter and your coating. So, we're gonna make the batter. Sometimes I use chickpea flour. For some reason it just works a lot better. But again, they didn't have that in the shop, so I'm using the plain flour. Depends on how much you're making, obviously. I just like to make kind of half a bowl's worth to start with and then add more if I need to. Also, I'm really bad at measurements, sorry guys. My grandma never used to teach me no measurements, she just did everything by eye, so that's how I do it. But for now, let's just do 2 heaped tablespoons, and then we're gonna get the soy milk. Add like 3 big globs of it. The other thing you need is a whisk. Okay, so this is way too thin. I'm gonna add some more flour. Better. Okay, this is a good consistency. Can you see? Yeah, this is very good. Okay, now for seasoning. I would say half a teaspoon of each. You don't want to over season it because this is really, really seasony. Half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chicken powder, a tiny bit of salt, 1 twist, quite a bit of pepper, I like pepper, 7 twists, mixy mixy. Fantastic, batter done. Empty this into a little bowl. So I used to make my own version of this with plain flour and all those seasonings that I add to the batter, but then I found this and this just makes more sense, so making life easy, you know? I like to fill it up because it gets a bit hard to, what's that on my nail? Yeah. Hard to coat the jackfruit if it's not like full to the brim, because then it touches the bottom and then it doesn't kind of scrapes off, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna add some pepper because I like pepper. At this point, okay, so at this point, oh, for fuck's sake, maybe I shouldn't put so much pepper. Okay, at this point, I totally forgot, but I should have put the oil in the pan. Did I say oil in the ingredients? I hope I did. If I didn't, you need oil. You just need a little one. I'm just gonna do like a batch of 4 at a time so it doesn't get too crowded and messy. You don't want it to be too ram up in there, do you know what I mean? So I'm putting about an inch of oil in there, that's all, because they're just small pieces, so it'll be fine. So you want the oil like extra hot. moisture on my top already. Right, so jackfruit dye. So you want to sieve out this. Yeah. Try that again, shall we? To sieve out the brine or the water, whatever your jackfruit is coming. I'm gonna put it on a chopping board. So these, they have little edges and they're just hardened. You don't really want that bit. So you just want to slice that little bit off. So these bits are like stringy, if you can see. That's what gives the texture of chicken. It's gonna taste like chicken. Right, so you're gonna dip each piece by piece into the jackfruit, into the flour. What am I talking about? How can you dip it in the jackfruit? You're gonna dip the jackfruit into the batter first, and then into the flour, and then we're gonna put it straight into the oil. Okay, let's go. First batch all battered and covered in the nice seasoning. I'm gonna just stick them one by one into the oil. Balance. This is when I lose all control. This is when I find a challenge I can call my own. It's hard to fight a battle when all my weapons are so far out of reach and balance, and I forget. Okay, first batch done. And oh my God, look at them. Guys, when I tell you, these literally taste like chicken. Now for the taste test. It tastes like chicken. Look. Tell me it does not look like chicken. Tell me that does not look like chicken. It's crazy. I don't understand. This is the fruit, guys. Oh God. It's like this is everything you miss when you turn vegan. Like you want that crunch, you want that bite into the bit of meat, you want that crispy edge. Oh, so good. So yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my first ever Made with Love cooking show. I'm really happy that you guys have tuned in. If you make the jackfruit, let me know how you get on. Send me a little DM. Yeah, it's easy to be vegan, guys. You don't have to miss anything. Let's just be vegan and be healthy and be happy and save the planet and save the animals. Love ya.